welcome back to the AFI DIY Lab. As you may already know, my name is Maddie, and today we're going to make some solid conditioner bars. These bars are not only super nourishing, but also plastic free. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you can join our notification squad before we begin. All right, awesome, let's jump right into it. All right, I've already got my double boiler ready to go, so I'll be adding our first ingredients. I'm gonna grab our shea butter here, and this just helps tackle any dry and damaged hair. Next up is the BTMS 50, and this ingredient is a conditioning agent that will help get out any pesky knots or tangles. All right, let's give this a quick mix. It's already starting to melt quite nicely. All right, this is kind of melting some, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab my acetyl alcohol and dump this in as well. All right, set this off to the side. All right, so now our next step is to add in our cocoa butter. So dump that in, big chunk. We're gonna add our coconut oil, and grab a spatula just to help you get all the ingredients that might just be left in here. Oh, that was satisfying. Now we're gonna grab our argan oil, pour that in here. I'm just gonna use my spatula to help get any out as well. And then last but not least, our avocado oil. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh yeah, so don't forget your vitamin B5. So all of these ingredients here help contribute to how moisturizing these bars are. How could I forget this? All right, so we're just gonna give this a stir and just let this melt over time, and I'll come back to you guys when this is nice and well mixed together and homogenized. All right, I'm giving this one last quick stir. It looks like everything is nice and melted. So let's go ahead and remove this from heat and let's continue with the process. Now we're gonna add some preservative in here and we're gonna stir it around a little bit, and then it's time for fragrance. That should be good. All right, that should be good. And now I'm gonna grab our fragrance. And so I wanted something that would fit the nourishing nature of these bars, so I went with Oatmeal Milk and Honey. Alrighty, so we're gonna pour this in. Alright, I think everything is nice and well mixed together. So now all is left to do is pour this content into our molds. And if you're a little messy like me, transfer the mixture into a pouring pitcher to make it a little bit easier for you. Alright. All right, so I'm gonna pop these in the refrigerator just to help speed up the cooling time for these, and I'll come back to you guys in a few moments. All right, guys, I'm back, and look how cute they are. These are so easy to use. Just let some warm shower water wet into one of your hands, then massage it into your hair. Focus on the mids and ends where the most damage is for best results, and if you do tend to have more oily hair, stray away from your roots. Otherwise, you're more than free to use it on your roots as well. It costs us less than $1 to make each of these bars, so they can be sold wholesale for about $1 to $2 and retail for $4 to $8. We've got tons of shampoo recipes for you to try and pair with these bars in your line, so check them out in our DIY playlist. If you followed along with us in today's video, be sure to tag us on Insta at Aromatic Fragrances International. We'd love to see your creations. As always, I'm Maddie, and thanks so much for joining us here in the AFI DIY Lab. Leave us a like to help support our team, and we'll have more videos just like this coming your way in no time. Until next time, bye.